Hey, what's up guys? So we still got the tablet mounted here. It's looking pretty good, but we're gonna do something a little bit different today. I recently installed this wireless charger in the bench seat, and today I'm just gonna give you sort of an overview of how it went and how it's working for me so far. In the near future, I'm gonna do a full install video. It's actually a pretty simple job. So here we have the final product. It looks pretty clean in there. It's big enough to hold all the way up to, I have an S22 Ultra, and it'll fit that pretty close on the sides, but top and bottom there's a lot of room, which actually is an issue. So this, I can't use my S22 to show you because that's what I'm filming on, but this is a Galaxy S8, and there's plenty of room top and bottom, plenty of room left and right. The only problem, even with my S22 Ultra, there's still a little bit of room here. It probably goes to about here, and the phone will slide around inside here, and as you can see, that's the charging element there. So a lot of the times it will slide to the point that it won't charge, and even if you flip it around the other way, you think that maybe this, because there is a bit of a lip here, you think that that would stop it and it would be able to charge, but it's not working for me. So I need to find a way. Maybe I need a different case that will make it more grippy, or I need to install maybe like a diffuser over this light that it could bump into, because this light is extremely bright at night, like annoyingly bright. It's gonna bother you. Like, I found myself putting something over it to cover it and to act as a backstop for my phone so it doesn't slide to the point where it's not freaking charging anymore, and it's really annoying to be reaching over all the time and sliding the phone back, flipping it around, trying different orientations. So if it didn't move around, this thing would be absolutely great. This is an old phone. I don't know if it's gonna pop up here for you. We'll see. It's gonna fast charge your phone. I believe it's 15 watt. For my S22, that's about just over 2 hours from 0 to 100. So that's pretty quick for a wireless charger. There we go. You got the notification there, fast wireless charging. 64 an hour. This is an older phone. That could have something to do with it. So that's it for now. Like I said, there's going to be a full install video coming. It's a really simple install. If you don't think you can do it, don't worry. It's fairly straightforward. If you guys have any questions about the tablet or anything going on with that, please let me know. I'm happy to answer anything that you have. And so, yep, that's it for now.